So the channel took a weird turn, and I don't have the Onefinity anymore. So yeah, about that. And just like that, I don't have the Onefinity CNC anymore, guys. But that's not a bad thing. It's not because it wasn't a good machine. It was a great machine. It was a great starter machine for anybody looking into getting into CNC work. You know, if you've stuck around long enough, I had the Shapeoko CNC machine, which was a good machine. I wouldn't choose it as my first choice. I know they've come a long ways, and you guys probably know more about it now with the belts and whatnot. But the Onefinity, let's talk about the Onefinity. It's a great machine. They have bigger ones than what I had. I had the Woodworker edition model, and it was great. It did everything that I needed to do, and I probably didn't even scratch the surface of what it could do in the end. But this channel is going to take a shift. I do still have the laser, the Ometex 60, so that's still going to stick with me in these upcoming videos. But we're taking a turn to leather work and leather craft, leather goods. So I hope you guys stick around. I think you could learn something from it. Even if you're a woodworker, you might actually pick something up that you could implement with the woodworking. Who knows? But I am sorry that this channel isn't going to be geared towards woodworking and CNC work. And like I said, it's not that the Onefinity didn't perform well. It was by far one of the best entry-level CNC machines that I've used. But that being said, we've got new ideas, new things coming. So stick around, check them out. I think you're really gonna enjoy it, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.